Elephants, do you have anything to say about elephants? Do you know anything about elephants? Do you have any experience you've had with elephants in the past? Or how do you feel about elephants in general? Anything?
Think of anything. They're very docile, the ones that I've encountered, and very gray.
About elephants? Do you have anything to say about elephants?
I love elephants.
I love elephants
I have many
too.
elephants in my apartment.
Really?
I mean, not real ones, but...
Would you call it your favorite animal? Is
Yeah.
it your animal? You rode an elephant?
I did. I rode an elephant. So it's like at a zoo or something, you know, when I was 4.
You were chased by an elephant?
Several.
A pack of them.
They're very strong and
But nice.
yet graceful. Very gentle animals.
Scary.
Yeah.
The scariest moments of my life
Yeah.
was when I was chased by
Being chased by elephants in the wilderness in Botswana.
I'm making a film about elephants, but obviously the cameraman...
Cameraman feels sort of like subconscious about like filming or not filming.
Yeah.
We actually
Do you believe
That was really cool.
that they never forget? Have you heard that before?
An elephant never forgets.
That an elephant never forgets. Like if
Yeah.
you do a wrong to an elephant, he'll always remember.
it's kind of uncomfortable. Yeah.
So
We crossed their path at the end of the day. They like a whole herd was heading towards a watering area, and we were walking through like a part of the Okavango Delta where they live, and we kind of got in the wrong place at the wrong time, and we ended up running away.
Well, do you like them because you hold grudges?
I don't feel like a whole.
I rode an elephant.
What was I gonna say about them?
They have a lot of heart.
They
have a lot of heart.
I like
According
to
to you.
think that.
The big ones, I'm sure they're really large hearts. I can't see.
But they have wonderful
Smell.
sense of smell and sense of
Well, they have
hearing.
really
They
long
can hear.
noses.
So how long
They
they
didn't really chase? We just sort of like, we tried as hard as we could not to be chased. We saw them sort of smelling us, like their sort of trunk goes up. Well, there's a cow, like one of the main like lead like elephants, who will raise her trunk and sort of indicate that she smelled something, and like be very
flap their ears,
they flap their ears and get sort of very protective about their like their whole like their herd.
And for a long time, I just read this about them. They thought that elephants didn't really communicate, but then they realized that they communicate on levels that we can't hear. Like they growl and these like different sounds. They call them like screeching. You're totally identified with that.
I thought I was gonna die.
No, well,
I did.
you weren't gonna die.
How close were they?
They were like lights are. Sort of. Wherever those lights are. It's like that far.
I've thought of them as very compassionate, like intuitive creatures.
They are, but they're very cute. They can just like.
And they have a right, like they are probably really compassionate, but they also have a right to be really territorial.
Yeah.
because-
Well, with most wild animals or any animals, I think if you passing through their area and you don't show any fear, then usually, I mean, if you look at them and then you just continue on their way, I mean, usually there's no disruption. Do you feel like you felt fear when you were around them?
In the presence of someone who had a lot of experience with elephants, and he looked afraid.
Oh yeah.
And his fear, I think, was quite contagious. Maybe we've given far too earnest an answer about elephants because we were going sort of a metaphorical, like
No,
elephant
not at all.
thing.
And they're really good swimmers. Not that I'm a good swimmer, but they are. Did you know that there was a circus that sank? Like they were on a boat. This was, I think, at the turn of the century or something. And I don't know if it was Barnum and Bailey. I don't remember, but the boat sank and everyone died except the elephants. The elephants swam to shore. Yeah. And I have a picture of an elephant that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. But it looks real. It looks like a real black and white photograph, and there's a little girl sitting next to the elephant. And people are always like, oh, is that you? And no, it's not. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot.
You're so welcome.